Today, I'm going to be teaching you another wonderful tech trick and solution on how you can go about fixing and activating all versions of MS Office suite. Most times, when you get MS Office installed into your computer system, your laptop, your tablet, or your PC, which is your desktop computer, sometimes when the Office license gets expired, you get an activation error. So today I will be walking you through on how you can successfully, with the comfort of your home, activate all versions of Microsoft Office suite without any software. You know, Microsoft Office suite comes with Excel pack, OneNote, Outlook, Word, and PowerPoint. Sometimes, I don't know if you have come across opening your Microsoft Office sometimes, either be it Excel or MS Word, and you want to carry out a task, then you are getting an activation error on the screen, asking Windows activation or license has expired. There are a lot of errors that do come up on Office activation that has been expired. It may be sometimes you may open your Excel or your MS Word, you want to type, you want to typeset a document, and when you are typing, nothing is typing on the screen. It then means that your Office license has expired. So today I will be walking you through and teaching you the trick and logic on how you can activate Microsoft Office suite, whether be it Excel or version, whether be it version 2010, 27, 2013, 2016, or 2019 and 20. So this is the step I'll be showing you now is the procedure to follow to get your Office license activated without any problem. So now I'm going to be walking you through the step. As you can see, this is Office activation, a sample of an expired or a failed Office activation. So now, what we're going to be doing now is I'm going to be showing you how to get this Office activated. So if you have come across this kind of message or your screen before showing activation failed or license failed, enter activation key. So you are at the right channel. So what we're going to be doing today is the first step to get this mess fixed is this. What you're going to be doing is you click on Start. Once you click on Start, you type this PC, and you open this PC. Allow it to load. So we are on, in some systems or some Windows, you can be my computer, but in Windows 10, 11, 8 and above, it is named as this PC. So when you open your this PC Windows, you are going to be seeing your local disk C. So what we're going to do now is to double click on the local disk C. So I'm inside the local disk C now. As you can see from the local disk C, you can see program files x86. You know, depends on the Windows you're using. There are some Windows that they are 86-bit, which is 32-bit, while there are some Windows that are 64 bits. Like this particular Windows I'm using is 64-bit. So I'm going to be clicking on this program files x86. So once you click on the x86 program file, you navigate to Microsoft Office. So this is Microsoft Office. So I'm going to be double clicking on it now. And once it opens, you're going to be seeing some folders inside. Office 11, 15, 16. So you are going to be clicking on Office 16. Once the Office 16 open, you can on your keyboard depress O, be clicking on O. We are looking for OSP RAM. O. So you can scroll down. Sometimes you may not find it here. If you didn't find it here, you take a little step backward. You can also click on the second one. Use the other option, program files. You select Microsoft Office. You select Office 16. Then you click on O. until you get OXP RAM. OXP RAM. This is it now. This is OXP RAM. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. This is OSP RAM.exe. So what you're going to be doing now, you right click on it, you run it as administrator 3 times. First time you run it as administrator, it's going to blank on the screen, show you a dark windows. That's the first. That's one. Then you're going to run it again for the second time, OSP RAM as administrator for the second time. So you're going to be running it again for the third time, OSP RAM for the third time. So once you've successfully run this command thrice, so you can close the local disk windows. Then once you open your Microsoft Word, MS Word, you have successfully activated it. It's not going to be asking you for that issue of Office is not activated or blah blah blah. So this is the method and procedure on how you can successfully activate Windows. How you can successfully activate the Windows of Microsoft Office. So I can type on it now successfully, but when it's the license has expired, you cannot even type on it. Once you are typing on it, nothing will be going through, or you will not be seeing anything on the screen. So thank you very much for your time and for watching this tutorial. So I will urge you to subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorial to come your way.